Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or rupee, it is not issued or controlled by any government or central bank. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain, a public digital ledger where all transactions are recorded in a secure, transparent, and decentralized way. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, the crypto market has exploded with thousands of new coins, including Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, Ripple, and many more. In 2025, cryptocurrency has evolved beyond just money. It powers smart contracts, decentralized apps, dApps, NFTs, and even virtual worlds like the metaverse. For beginners, though, the crypto space can still feel confusing, risky, and full of hype. That's why it's important to take a smart, step-by-step approach before you invest your hard-earned money. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to start investing in crypto the right way in 2025. Step 1. Learn the basics. Before you invest a single rupee or dollar, you need to understand what you're getting into. Crypto is known for its high potential rewards, but also high risk. Prices can skyrocket or crash overnight. Unlike a bank, if you lose your crypto due to a mistake or scam, there's often no way to get it back. Start by learning common terms like blockchain, wallet, exchange, DeFi, decentralized finance, and HODL, hold on for dear life. Watch beginner videos, read guides, and follow reliable sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, or trusted YouTube channels. Step 2. Choose a reliable exchange. A crypto exchange is like a stock market. It's the place where you buy, sell, and hold your crypto. In 2025, some of the most trusted exchanges include Coinbase, great for beginners, Binance, low fees, global reach, Kraken, strong security, OKX, Bybit, and BitGet, growing fast with advanced tools. Always choose an exchange that is regulated, secure, and available in your country. Read user reviews. Check if they offer 2FA, two-factor authentication, insurance, and cold storage for safety. Step 3. Create your account, verify identity. Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up with your email. You'll be asked to complete KYC verification. That means uploading your ID, sometimes a selfie, and confirming your details. This step helps prevent fraud and is required by law in most countries. Set a strong password. Enable 2FA using an app like Google Authenticator for added protection. Never share your password or security codes with anyone. Step 4. Fund your account. Now it's time to add money. Most exchanges let you deposit using bank transfer, debit, or credit card, PayPal. In some countries, Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash, or mobile wallets start small. Even $10 or $20 is enough to make your first investment and learn how things work. Don't rush. Think of this as your crypto learning phase. Step 5. Choose the right coins to invest in. As a beginner, don't try to buy every coin that's trending on social media. Stick with top established coins like Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto, seen as digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, powers smart contracts and Web3. BNB, used on Binance's own blockchain. Solana, Polygon, Matic, and Cardano. Promising ecosystems diversification is important. Don't put all your money into one coin. But also, don't spread too thin. 3 to 5 coins are enough to start. Step 6. Understand wallets and storage. When you buy crypto, you need a wallet to store it. There are 2 main types. Hot wallets, online like MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Convenient, good for small amounts. Cold wallets, offline like Ledger or Trezor. More secure, best for long-term holding. You can also keep your crypto on the exchange, but only if it's a trusted one and you're planning to trade. For safety, use your own wallet where you control the private keys. Step 7. Be smart about risk. The crypto market is highly volatile. Coins can jump or fall 10–50% in a single day. That's why it's important to have a plan. Don't invest emotionally. Set clear goals. Are you investing long-term or trading short-term? Only invest money you can afford to lose. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't chase pumps. Stay informed. Follow market news, updates from crypto projects, and trends like regulation, Bitcoin halving, or interest rates. Step 8. Watch out for scams. Crypto is exciting, but it's also full of scams. Be careful of fake websites that look like exchanges, Telegram or WhatsApp messages promising huge profits, projects that ask you to send crypto to get double-back influencers hyping unknown tokens. Always double-check links, never trust random messages, and don't share your wallet keys or passwords. Step 9. Build a diversified crypto portfolio. Just like with stocks, diversification is key in crypto. Don't put all your money into a single coin, no matter how popular it is. Instead, create a mix that balances risk and reward. For example, 40% Bitcoin, it's the most stable and widely accepted, 30% Ethereum, huge ecosystem, NFTs and smart contracts, 20% promising altcoins, like Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, or Polkadot, 10% high-risk gems, newer coins or small projects with big potential. Rebalance your portfolio every few months based on market trends. Don't be afraid to take profit when coins rise fast. You can always buy again later. Step 10. Long-term holding, hodling versus short-term trading. There are two main strategies in crypto. Hodling means holding your coins for the long run, 1 to 5 years or more. This works well with coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trading means buying low and selling high in the short term, daily or weekly. While it sounds exciting, it requires skills, technical analysis, and time. If you're a beginner, focus on long-term holding. Trading can be risky without experience, and most people lose money in the beginning. Step 11. Earn passive income from your crypto. One of the best parts of crypto in 2025 is the ability to earn passive income. Some popular ways include staking. Lock your coins like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano in the network and earn rewards. Lending. Platforms like Aave, Compound, or Binance allow you to lend crypto and earn interest. Yield farming. Provide liquidity to DeFi platforms in return for profit, only for advanced users. Holding stablecoins. Put USDT or USDC in savings accounts or on exchanges that pay 5 to 10% annually. These methods let your crypto work for you, even when the market is slow. Step 12. Understand taxes and regulations. In 2025, most countries now have crypto tax laws. Whether you're in the US, UK, Pakistan, India, or UAE, make sure you know. Are your crypto gains taxable? Do you need to report your holdings yearly? Are crypto-to-crypto trades also taxed? Some platforms now offer tax reports automatically. Still, keep a record of every trade, withdrawal, and deposit. It'll save you headaches later. If unsure, talk to a tax consultant who understands crypto laws in your region. Step 13. Use crypto safely and avoid mistakes. By now, you've probably seen many success stories, people getting rich from meme coins or NFTs. But remember, for every winner, many people lose money due to greed, scams, or mistakes. Follow these safety rules. Use hardware wallets if you're storing large amounts. Double-check addresses before sending any crypto. Don't chase pump and dump schemes. Avoid emotional decisions. Fear and greed are your biggest enemies. Keep your seed phrases safe offline and never online or shared. Also, be cautious with unknown DeFi projects. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Step 14. Stay updated and keep learning. The crypto world changes fast. New projects launch daily, regulations shift, and tech keeps evolving. To stay ahead, follow top YouTube educators and crypto podcasts. Read news from CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Masari. Use apps like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to track prices and info. Join crypto communities on Twitter, Reddit, or Discord. But think critically. Take free courses on platforms like Binance Academy or Coursera. Knowledge is your best tool in crypto. The more you learn, the smarter your decisions will be. Step 15. Set your goals and exit strategy. Ask yourself, why are you investing in crypto? Do you want to double your money? Save for the future? Beat inflation? Or join the next financial revolution? Set realistic targets. For example, I will sell 25% of my crypto if it doubles, or I'll exit a coin if it drops 40%. Having a plan will protect you from panic decisions. Remember, you don't need to time the exact top or bottom to win in crypto. Even small profits are better than holding too long and watching it crash. Final thoughts. Investing in crypto in 2025 is full of potential. It's not just a trend anymore. It's becoming a core part of the global financial system. But with great opportunity comes great risk. So, take it slow, Start small. Be smart. Never stop learning. Crypto isn't just about making money. It's about taking control of your financial future in a digital world. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Let's grow together in this crypto journey.